my bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. That's so innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much.
We are supposed to feel chill, more chill, but then because of, I'm not sure, there's a slight, what do you call that? Very kanchiong a bit, but then yeah, it should be fine. I like to be friends with everybody in Raffles and to make sure that they know that if there's any problems, they can come to us. You know, gang, friends, gang. I'm the former SRC president of Raffles. So my new goal for the new SRC members will be that no matter what people say towards you, as you know it's the right thing to do, or maybe that's your goal, just go for it. Never wait for others, or never ask for someone else's validation. Because you know what you're doing, you're the chosen one, so go with it.
I'm still understanding just how you do the magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do, and it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do that.
Love it, feeling that look up to me when you find it.
In the sand that we ain't got no plans. I like it with you. Yeah, I like it with you.
Well, my best wishes is to the current SRC. I hope they will always have good luck with them. And no matter what happens, no matter who supports them or not, they always be confident in themselves. And also always back up them. Because that's what SRC is.
Tell me that you love it. And when you pull the strings, I'm a puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you.
3, 2, 1